Now, the vast majority of making online tactics requires you clicking links on sites, completing a survey. This is not the real way to make money online. If you want to make money online, building a business is the best way to do that. And I'm about to share with you two extremely low cost business, or will I say two extremely low cost business model you can start right now. Then if you are new here and you are an entrepreneur or an inspiring entrepreneur, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more awesome business videos that can change your game and make you rich. Our first business model you can start with low cost is a YouTube channel. Now, first, forget about what they told you about YouTube and starting a YouTube channel and listening to this video. Starting a YouTube channel requires you approaching it in a business mindset. Generally, you need a large audience and you have to reach the monetization threshold before you can start making money on YouTube, and that will need a lot of time and effort. However, even with a small audience, you can start making money on YouTube, and this requires no cost. Now, here is the thing. First, figure out the skills, ideas, experience, and the things you are good at and passionate about, and do a proper research about that topic. And the next thing you have to do is to niche your channel down on that research. Then you can start making content about that chosen topic you have researched about. The deal here is that this video you are making is going to be giving people tips, advice, and support on your expertise by giving them real-time value, and not just posting content, but posting engaging content that YouTube can easily promote to people who are interested in this topic. You offer them tips, advice, and support on your content. Then you can go ahead to promote your premium service and products to them if they want to learn more, because you have given them a lot of value on your free videos. They will know, like, and trust you. This is one of the tricks, and all this comes with no cost. You don't need fancy camera, or you don't need fancy camera skills or editing skills to start this up. Just with your phone and your wealth of knowledge, you can achieve this. Our second business model you can start with low cost or with no cost is affiliate marketing. Many of the ways of starting a business requires you building a website, designing a product, building a sales funnel, and the list gets going. What if you could get paid as high as 50% for selling someone else's product or services? Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing. You can easily partner with businesses and earn a commission for every single product you sold or a conversion you made. You can register with affiliate platform, find the products to promote, and strike a deal with the company. There is no cost doing any of this. Yours is to drive traffic, because the language affiliate marketing understands is traffic, the ability for you to drive traffic to offers. Getting traffic can be diverse ways. It can be organic or paid. You can use blogs, you can use YouTube videos like this, social media posts, and so on. Picking any of these two business models and putting in the time to learn about them can make you a lot of money online. And if you want more video about this, sure to smash that notification bell so that you will stay notified when I drop new videos. Click on this video showing on your screen right now to know the truth about money in just 1 minute. I will see you there.